Today we are checking out the OP and ED for Campfire Cooking in Another World Season 2. Yo, the food just looks so good. Oh, they're getting into some adventuring, dude. Whoa. Takoyaki coming? That's a big boy. They're gonna eat that too. If a monster attacks him, bro, that's the worst mistake you could make. You're gonna get eaten. Karage, maybe? Just now? We're gonna get introduced to new gods. I like this opening. This is cute. And all the foods. Oh my god, dude. Oh, ooh, that look good. And omu rice. And there's the gyozas. Maybe. I don't even know what that is. What is that? Oh, it's delicious, bro. Oh, that food looks delicious. I want to eat it. I want to eat it so bad. Looks very like a comic strippy, you know? Looks like a comic strip. Very chill ED, which I'm always here for. Oh, I like this. Hold on. Hey, that was cute. I like the ending. That was nice, man. That was a nice ending. I like the opening. What do they do at the end here? All right, man. Good episode. I enjoyed it. That was nice. It was a good episode. Looks good, man. I like the OP. I like the ED. Listen, let me know what you thought about this OP and ED. Do you like them? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. All right, and don't just leave a comment. Also, click the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more. Until next time, make sure you all keep it fresh. Peace.